For maths, I'm just telling you to learn the tables
Yeah,
in your holidays.
I can take a
Learn and
revision.
write. Yes, learn and write the
Good
tables.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Learn and write the tables in your revision notebook as well as do mental maths calculations.
Ma'am,
Okay?
we have to write tables 12 to 20.
12 to 20. From 2 to 20, you should know all the tables. Okay?
Yeah,
If
take
you
it
are
0
very
to
good in 2
5.
to 10, if you are very good in 2 to 10, then please write from 11 to 20. Okay? Clear? Can I start my class? Because I have children, we have covered the magic squares, magic triangles, right?
Yeah,
And different magic patterns.
yeah.
Mute yourself, Vihan. Then we have done number tower. Then we have done same rule. Take one number from first and one number from the last. Then we have done coding, right? In this, all the most probably topics are covered. Only one is pending, which is tessellation or tiling method. This tiling we will do after when we come back after the holidays. So before moving to the tiling or start the new topic, I want to revise all the previous topic with an story. There is a one story. So listen that story. In that story, they will revise all the topics which we have covered about the play with patterns or the patterns. Listen it. It is very interesting story. Okay.
But be careful. Don't spoil my rangoli. What are you doing, Buzz?
I am helping Meenu. See, I am putting colors in the rangoli.
But Buzz, you are not following a
Rajveer and
pattern.
Vishnu, turn on your camera, please.
A
Rajveer
pattern?
Nikhare,
What is
Vishnu, turn on
that?
your camera.
Look, first it is blue, then it is red, then it is yellow, and then it is green.
See, you can see
You
the
have to
pattern in
follow the
Rangoli
same
also.
pattern. Otherwise, the rangoli will not look good.
Oh, sorry, Meenu. I did not know about patterns.
Buzz, look at Ma's sari. That's hanging there. Can you see the design? Can you see there is a pattern?
Yes, I can see the pattern and design. It looks beautiful.
It looks beautiful because it has a pattern. Look, the body of the sari has a full design and the ends have half designs.
Oh, so there has to be a proper pattern.
Yes, Buzz. Can you get me some leaves? I will tell you how to make patterns.
Patterns with leaves? Okay, I will get leaves.
Thank you, Buzz. Let me arrange these leaves.
He is arranging the leaves in a pattern. First is one, then two, then how many leaves she will arrange?
Three.
Three. But see, one is the prop, then it is the 1/4 turn, then half a turn, and then full turn. Got it? We have learned, no? If I am holding
Look,
a marker
this
as
is a
it,
pattern.
then I will arrange
Can
it this
you
way, then
continue
half a
this?
turn, and then 3/4 turn, and then full turn.
Oh, I can.
What will be the next?
Ma'am, one leaf. One.
And then another leaf will be towards the 1/4 turn. Then another leaf will be on the 3/4 turn. Sorry, half a turn.
Two.
Ha, 2/4 is also known as half. then 3/4, and then full. Is also Kashvi, mute your mic, please.
Is this correct?
Yes, Buzz. Now let me do a pattern with these sticks. You try and continue in the same pattern.
Student, 1 stick, then 2, then 3, and then 4 it will make so that the complete square will be made.
One stick.
So if I say again, if you continue, you will start with the 1.
One.
And then put the next 2 in the sleeping, then 3 in the standing, and then 4th in the sleeping. Go little fast because this you have noticed. Now go to the next pattern.
So,
Chinu, we will use the board that Papa got for us. Let me start a pattern.
good morning, everybody. Even I like patterns. I will also do it with you.
Good morning, Futta. Okay, let me write the first pattern. Okay, watch carefully, Buzz. AB, CD,
I will turn on because I want to ask the questions related with it.
EF.
What will be the next,
Can
students?
you continue the next 3?
Ma'am,
This is easy, Meenu.
Ma'am, GH. H-I-G-I-J.
Yes.
K.
So, can we see? Can we see the answers?
Continue the next 3.
This is easy, Meenu. It is G, H,
IJ. And what will be the next?
I,
K.
J, and K, L.
Is 15? That's smart, Buzz. I know, Chinu. It is
So what will be the next, students? 5.
505. Ma'am, then 505. 605.
405, 600 and 505, and as many blanks they are giving you, the pattern will go continue.
$405 and 505. I will write one. 15 E
15F, 15E. What will be the next?
D. 15D.
What have you observed here? F is there, then E.
Ma'am, the alphabetical is backward. Alphabetical is backward.
Very good. Alphabetically backward we are going.
15 D. Meenu, can you do it?
Yes, Futta. It is
Just a minute. We will complete this.
yes, Futta. It is
15,
C.
15.
then 15,
B.
B. And then 15.
A.
Kashi, mute your mic, please.
And 15A.
Oh, this was different. Can you give me one footer?
Sure, Baz. Try this.
Fifth, 555. Please write it in the chat box. 455, 355. What will be the next? 200 and then what will be the next after 255? 115 will not be. It will be 155. Yes. And then last will be 55. Every time they are subtracting 100 from the number previous number.
255. 155. And 55.
Oh, you have to subtract 100 each time. It will be easy.
Now see this pattern which we have already done. Use the numbers 1, 2, 3 and arrange them in such a way so that the numbers will not repeat the row wise and the column wise. This we have done already.
Yes.
Then we have learned with the letters also how to arrange.
Yes.
And now coming the cloud pattern which we have now magic pattern. The standing and the sleeping and slanting, the number should not, if the total is here is 12. So slanting, standing and it should come 12. Can you see this cloud pattern? Which we have already done with the star pattern, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Any doubt in this?
No,
Any
ma'am.
doubt? Okay. And this also we have done. Magic squares. Here they are giving the name is magic marbles. Because here they are making a circles. But we have done in the squares, right? Where slanting, standing and sleeping, the total should come same. What is the total coming here? 9 plus 4 is 14.
15, ma'am. Total is.
So in this way, standing also should be 15. This is any doubt in this pattern?
No.
Okay, moving ahead. Children, I'm going little fast because it's a 1 hour story and the topics which we have already covered. So I want to make it little faster. Triangle pattern, magic triangles. Any doubt in magic triangles?
No, ma'am.
Magic triangles also, the total should, here is total is 9. So you can say this side, left side total is also 9, right side total is also 9 and the down sleeping also is 9 and the numbers are used from 1 to 6. Any doubt here till the magic triangles?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
So we're moving ahead next to the
Number
number tower. Number tower 1, 2, 3. What will come here in this square?
3.
What will come here? 5. What will 8. 3, 5, 8. Very good. Go to the next number tower. So you can see the answers also. 3, 5, 8.
Yeah, ma'am. We have done a big one also.
Yeah, we have done a big one also. Here, what will come here in this box, students?
15.
What will come here in this?
25.
25. Second में 25, last में 35.
Yes.
Last one will be 35. 15 plus 20 will be 35. Now, if I increase this, wait a minute. What will come here in this box?
Ma'am, 40. Ma'am, 45.
45. Who is saying 45?
50. Ma'am, 40.
40. And what will come here in the next?
60.
60. And if I make one more at the top, what will be the answer?
100. 100.
Yes. Top 40 plus 60 will be 100. Let me show you.
Ma'am, we don't have a doubt in the tower.
Any doubt in number tower?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Now coming same to same rule. Same to same rule. In the same to same rule, you have to take a note. You have to take the numbers, not the like here you can take any number 9, 10, 11, 12, but it should be in a sequence. Vihan, mute your mic, please.
Yeah, by mistake.
Numbers should be in a sequence 9, 10, 11, 12, or if you are taking the 15, 16, 17, 18. But you please remember that you should take the counting of even numbers always, not the odd numbers. If you take only 5 numbers like 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 are only the 5 group of numbers, then this rule is not possible. When you take 6 numbers 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, then it is possible. So odd and even concept is clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
So here if we take 9 plus 12 is 21 and 10 plus 11 is also 21. One from the left side, one from the right side. If we take together, add them, the total will be same. Yes, Tej Kumar.
Ma'am, if we use 10, 20, 30, 40, then
No, it will not come. Yes, if you take in 10, 20, 30, 40. So 40, yet it will, then also it will come because it's in a sequence. Tej Kumar, clear?
yes.
It's in a sequence, it will come. Now go to the next. Same rule. 1 plus 2 is 3. So this you all are clear. Now go to the next. Just a minute. So this is clear to you all, same to same rule.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Can we come on the now coding one?
Yes,
Secret messages, coding and decoding.
Yes.
So you all know ABCD and you all have learned how to give the numbers to the letters and how to make the code.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now if I tell you to make a code like this.
Ma'am,
25, 5 and 19. And the rule is same. That
what
A
is
is
the
1. Rule is same. That A is 1, B is 2. And if I am giving you the numbers 25, 5, 19. So which word you will? It will
Ma'am,
come.
yes. Ma'am, yes.
Y, yes, yes.
And X. Ma'am, yes. Ma'am, it will come in yes. I can tell a code.
Now you able to decode the code which is given to you. When you read A is 1, B is 2, C is 3.
Yes, ma'am.
So 25 is Y, 5 is E and 19 is S. Mute yourself everyone. Now go to the next. 10, 21, 13, 16. Can you decode this message?
Ma'am,
U,
M.
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
jump.
Ma'am, jump.
Jump. Yes, jump. Can I move to the next?
Yes. Yeah, ma'am.
This is also the code which is given in your textbook. You already have decode that, which is good.
Ma'am, good
morning.
Good night.
Good morning, I think it was.
No, ma'am.
Ma'am, good morning.
Ma'am,
Good morning.
Then it was good morning. We
Yes.
have to make. Ma'am, we have to make the code with good morning.
Okay. Now moving ahead with the different codes. What code is done. Now go to the practice of the number pattern.
Ma'am, can I tell a code?
I will ask. The 10, 20, 30. Then what is the pattern? 40, 50, and
40,
what is the last?
60.
60. 5A,
Ma'am,
5B,
can you ask
5C. Vihan, don't worry,
5D,
I will ask. Wait.
5D, 5D, 5E, 5F.
5C, D, E, and F. 5F. 16C, 17D, 18E. And please remember when the letters are used. Can I speak, students? Just a minute, let me take the attendance. So 16, 17, 18, then 19, F. So when I want to tell you one thing, if you see the letters are there and the letters are written in the capital letters, then please use the capital letters. If the letters are in the small letters, use the small letters. If you, in place of capital letters, using the small letters for the pattern, then it will not be a pattern. Clear? Clear, everyone? Now go to the next pattern. 50, 150, 250, 350, 450. What will be the next?
550.
550.
450.
550 will be the last. Now here come to the number tower. What will come at the place of question mark?
3.
Then next.
5.
Then next.
7.
Let's see. Are we right or not? Now 8 is given. What will be the next here? 12. What will come at the top? 20. Excellent, students. You all are, it seems that you all are clear with this all topics. Right? Okay. Go to the next. What will come here?
6.
Come here.
10. 10.
What
40.
will come here?
40.
What will come here?
80.
So you can see here, this line has been filled. Mute your mic. What will come here at the question mark?
24.
24. What will come here?
32.
32. Mute. What will come here?
40.
And what will come here?
56.
So 40 and 56. What will become at the top?
96.
Yes, 96. Now come here on the last, this one. Tell me what will come next.
30.
What will come here? What will come here?
70.
Very good. Can I move ahead?
Yes.
Let me take the attendance one more time. Any child having any doubt till here?
No.
No, ma'am.
Okay. So here you told 70 will come, right? 30 plus 50 is 80. What will come here in the next?
120. 120.
120. So 120 and 80, what will it? 200.
200.
Very good. Now we are doing same to same rule, taking one number from the first and one number from the last. 2 plus 7 is 9. So what will be the next group?
4 plus 3. 3 plus 6 9. Ma'am, 6 plus
3 plus 6 is 9. And what will be the next step?
4 plus 9.
Yes. Take the groups here in the next also. 10 plus 13 is 23. What will be the next group?
11 plus 12.
Is also 23.
22.
2 plus 12 is 14. What will be the next group?
4 plus 10.
4 plus 10, 14.
Then what will be the
6
next?
plus 8, 4.
14. So have you noticed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are taken, and in the previous one 4 are taken. So 4 numbers or 6 numbers or 8 numbers or 10 numbers, if you take, then only this rule is applicable. If you take 3 numbers or 5 numbers or 7 numbers, it will not be possible.
We
Clear?
can take means we can take line by line even numbers, no?
No, numbers you can take any number, but it is compulsory.
Like 6, 8 like that, no?
No. Numbers can be any numbers. But it should be regular numbers, first of all, like 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, or 10, 20, 30, 40, 100, 200, 300, 400. Right? But remember, in the counting, if you are taking 5 numbers like 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, then this rule will not be possible. If you take 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All should be even numbers. 2 numbers should be there, or 6 numbers should be there. 4 numbers.
Ma'am, I was asking in the last one that you showed us, in that there was 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12.
That even numbers also you can take the rule. Try it with the another even numbers, okay? And just check whether the rule is coming or not. But it is compulsory that one rule I have explained you, it should be in the sequence. Now go to the next, which is coding and decoding. And here the half word is already decoded for you.
Ma'am,
What
it's
will be the
yellow.
last?
Hello.
Oh.
Yes. And can you tell me what will be for the next, this one? Decode this
Ma'am,
message.
please. Ma'am, please.
Please.
Ma'am.
Yes. Please. Can you decode this message?
H. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes.
Thank you.
It is thank you.
Thank you.
Now go to the next. Please decode this message.
Ma'am,
Sorry.
Sorry. Yes. Now I'm giving you very interesting one. Please decode that also. Decode this message.
Ma'am, how will be I and A joint?
I? No, it's single. Because comma is there, no, between the words. So means वो अलग-अलग word है. I is separate, A, then 13 will be M. Then, then A, then 14 will be N. अब आप ये words पहले निकाल दो, then you make the sentence meaningful sentence.
9I 11.
Ma'am, I am
पहले पूरा बनाओ बेटा.
I am earning. I am earning.
Just check.
Ma'am, I am earning. I am doing math. I am earning.
I'm giving you more words.
I am earning.
More letters are there. Make now full.
Oh.
Find out.
I am earning.
लिखो ना बेटा, लिख लो ना. Try, write it in your notebook. सबके letters निकाल लो and then make a meaningful letter or a meaningful sentence.
I am Nandini.
No. Write ना. आप उसके words तो लिखो.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am Indian.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, I am Indian.
I am Indian.
I am
Indian.
अभी भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम है. I am Indian की जगह कुछ और पूरा वर्ड आएगा. I am Indian is correct. कुछ और चेंजेस हैं सेंटेंस के अंदर.
We are Indian.
No.
Indians.
I'm Indian. We are Indian. I am Indian.
Please do this properly.
I'm trying to do it.
Let the other students to solve.
Ma'am, it is coming.
I am a Indian. I am a Indian. I am a Indian.
Ma'am, I am an Indian.
Manya is
I am
correct.
an Indian.
Manya and Dania is correct. I am an Indian.
I am an
is
Indian.
correct. And some students are saying I am a Indian. It is I am an Indian.
Ma'am, then it
Because
M.
I is and
Ma'am, there is A and M. 1 and 14.
I is a vowel and before vowel we use N. Na? So it is I am an Indian.
Ma'am, I was telling her, but that time everyone was shouting other words. That's why you didn't listen that.
So I am an Indian is the answer. Giving
Anything
you.
more?
Please decode this message.
Oh, this is not the same.
Ma'am, I love.
Let me also make this.
Ma'am, I love India.
I love.
Ma'am, I love India.
Ma'am, I love India. I love India.
Let's check. Everyone completed or I move?
No, ma'am, no, ma'am.
Let them do. Let them do.
I love India. I love India. It's another word. Something
Mute
else
yours.
it is.
Danya, mute yourself. Moksh, mute yourself. Let everyone solve this and find out the answer. Let me also solve this and find out the answer.
Ma'am, I love India.
Be quiet, Tej Kumar. Write it in the chat box if you are so excited to give the answer. Moksh is writing, I am India.
Sorry, ma'am. I by mistake.
This is the thing. No, when you do things in the hurry.
Ma'am, I love my India.
Solve, Mania. Solve it fast.
Ma'am, it's I love India or another.
Let her solve. She's solving. There are students who are still solving this. Isn't it an interesting class today?
Yes, ma'am.
All the revision of the topics we've done. Only
I love
tessellation,
my India.
only tessellation and tiling topic is left,
No,
which
I
we will do
love
after. Write it in the chat box if you know the answer. Tej Kumar want to give the answer several times, the same answer. Write it in the chat box.
Ma'am, I love
It's
India.
I love India.
Yes. The answer is I love India. So please take your own time and solve it. If one child is giving the answer and then you are repeating, which is not good. I appreciate Manya that she has taken her own time, she solved it and then she has given the answer.
Ma'am, I also take a time and solve it. I love India.
It is
Ma'am,
I
I
love India.
Ma'am,
Okay,
I
students.
said first.
Okay, students. Thank you. I hope you all have enjoyed your today's class.
Yes. Ma'am, wait.
Yes,
Ma'am, I want to.
Happy
You said I
Diwali
will
to
do
all
it
of you.
tomorrow class.
Happy Diwali to you after
Ma'am,
Now we will
Excuse
meet
me, ma'am.
after the vacations.
Bye, ma'am.
ma'am, I was thinking I will not attend the class till 21, so I will send you a mail on it.
Ma'am,
What
we
you have
don't
not-
have an HRM right now, no?